So, tatlo kami na pupunta ng Sagada. It's gonna be a 2 days and 1 night trip. And ayun, nag-avail kami sa La Cocherang Magayon. Sa Facebook ko lang siya nakita. So, ang binayaran namin para sa trip na to is 2,700 plus 50. So, ayun, kasama na dun yung accommodation and then yung van. Sabi nung coordinator, parang yung range na magagastos naman for entrance fee ay 1K to 1,2. So, ayun, additional. Hey guys, so it's already 8:30 and nandito kami ngayon sa Greenfield. Hinihintay pa namin yung ibang kasama yung mga joiners and 10 PM pa daw yung meet up ulit namin doon. So, magagala-gala muna kami dito sa food hub. Hello guys, good morning. Time check, it's already 7 AM and nandito kami sa may Arco ng Banawe. So nag-picture taking lang kami nung group and then bumibili kami ng souvenir na scarf for 180 pesos. It's 7:30 and nandito kami sa may view deck. Ng Banawe. Banawe na ba yun? Banawe Rice Terraces. So, ayun, magpipicture lang ulit kami. Second stop na pala namin po, guys.
Ayan, kunin nyo na po yan, nanay, ha? Kunin namin yan dito.
Torta, chicken.
Sinigang.
Hey guys! So, nandito kami ngayon sa Mount Breeze Restaurant. Kumain lang kami ng breakfast and ito yung view niya, guys. Wow! Dito po kami. Okay po. Thank you po.
I am one of the tour guide. I will be orienting you about the tour. We'll be only touring for this afternoon and then tomorrow until lunch. For our itinerary, first we will be going to the hanging cabins, and then to the cave, and then tomorrow for the Marlborough Blue Soil Trek.
Hey guys, so nasa accommodation na kami ngayon. It's already 11:30 and dumating kami dito around 10:40. Sunod, binigyan lang nila kami ng time to prepare para sa hike. So, ayun, magka-cave kami today and then yun, nagpalit lang kami ng
Roman Catholic Roberts, Anglican or Episcopal yan. Pagtanungin nyo sa akin ang diferensya niyan, ang alam ko lang ang pari namin pwedeng makipag-asawa, but whatever ginagawa sa simbahang Romano, ganun din po yung ginagawa dito.
pagdating mo yung mga Amerikano, parang unti-unti nang napalitan. So sa ngayon, na-Christianize na po yung mga tao. Kaya hindi na po doon sa hanging coffins, dito na sa cemetery. Kita nyo yung mga puntod, butas yung isa, close naman yung isa. Ibig po sabihin yan, mag-asawa po yan. Namatay yung isa, ginawan na kaagad ng reservation sa kanang asawa. Kahit sa kabilang buhay, magkasama pa rin sila.
44 of our soldiers died in some part of Mama Sapano trying to capture, and actually they captured one of international wanted bomb expert in the name of Marwan. Luckily they get Marwan, and luckily 44 of them died in the battle. One is from Sagada. Come to one of our burial site. This is what we call the hanging coffins. Burial cave and hanging coffins are the tradition before the Americans came to Sagada. That is what we call being an animist or being pagans. They do believe that they came from nature through spirit. When they die, they will be buried on that place or on the cave for the belief that it would be easier for the spirit going back to nature. Why is it that the coffins are small? Because they were being bent into fetal position.
Lunch for today. Time check is 2:30 and nandito na kami sa may cave. So guys, so it's already 2:40 and nag-start na kami sa cave. So naglalakad pa lang kami. And medyo mahaba pa ata yung trail. So 5 hours daw yung duration sa cave.
It derived from the local terminology, or we call the caves as Liyang. Lumyang Burial Cave is Cave Burial Cave. As you can observe, there are so many coffins in there, and then as you can observe, more on they are small because Burial Cave is a little bit maybe more older than the hanging coffins. Okay, for the explanation, it is just the same.
Hindi ako vacation dyan.
Inom na lang daw. Paano na po isip namin yan? Inom na lang daw.
I think there's another universe where I haven't felt pain, and maybe in that other universe I'm a flower door the rain. I think somewhere in a different life I'm still 7 in 2nd grade, and I'm so happy that I feel alright, and that I haven't met my brain.
Guys, it's already 3:26 and hindi pa kami nakakalahati. Medyo mahirap lang yung pagsiksik sa mga butas kasi mas makipot siya. So, pero kaya naman. Beginner lang kami, guys. May mga ilaw naman na provided and marami ding tour guide na kasama. So, safe naman siya, guys.
Pang mayaman. Ako ba mo yung pinakaalam ko? Pag-i-edit pa kita. Ayun, may sounds! May sounds!
Mayaman may sounds!
Energy! Palakpak sa taas! Palakpak sa taas! Palakpak sa taas! Umalag. Nalaglag eh.
Try nga! Parang malalim. Pwede daw.
Pwede daw ito? Tulas ka lang
Ha? Ah! Alamig! Alamig, kasarap! So, ayun yung may tubig, guys. Sunod yung part na yun, medyo malalim. So, may apakan dito. Wait lang kasi!
To welcome us, it is one of the example of column. This is what we call the column. Stalactite to meet the stalagmite. It's not forever, we call it column. Now, this rock formation is what we call the Rice Granary Rock Formation. By the way, welcome to Sumaging Cave.
I'm just trying to be the best one.
Ang bilis!
Out of all the realities. Maybe somewhere in a universe, there's gotta be a better life.
It's already 6:47 and nandito na kami sa labas. Finally! May restaurant dito, guys. Kapag nagutom kayo, may bibilhan naman kayo dito. And then may souvenir shop din doon. So ngayon, uuwi na kami sa accommodation. Meron kami sasakyan. Okay guys, so it's already 8:49. Nandito na kami sa accommodation. Ngayong 8, magdi-dinner pa lang kami. Final comment about sa cave. Okay naman siya guys for beginner. Pero medyo sumasakit-sakit na yung balikat ko. Pero yun, masaya siya. Dinner.
Pagkula, magsasayang pa rin. Hindi natin sure kung ano rin.
Sa may kapal, walang iwanan, tag-init o tagulan. Paghingi ko ng kalayaan, minamahal.
Matatalikuran na natin ang
Kailangan ko lang mag-isa. Huwag mong isipin na hindi ka na mahal.
Guys, it's our day 2 for the day. And it's already 4:16. Yung call time namin is 4:30. This is our outfit for today. Hey guys, so nandito na kami sa jump off point. From accommodation to here, took us 40 minutes. So medyo malayo din siya.
I've got an internet crush. She's not a celebrity, but she's taken.
Guys, so yung trail pala dito ay puro hagdan. Medyo nakakahinga siya. Kasi pataas ng pataas. Pero sobrang ganda naman ng view. Look at that. Hingal na ako. Nakakakalahati.
Body you meet is dangerous. Because she'll break your heart. Cause she plays it so cool, making up her own rules. And I'm a loser for thinking I've got any shot in the dark.
Good morning po!
Tell me what am I supposed to do?
Grabe.
I've got an internet
Ayun na.
crush.
Ay!
She's not a celebrity, but she's taken. Still can't help falling in love. Can't take the hint and give up. I've got it. Internet crush.
Time check, it's 7:03. Baba na kami. Baka umuwi muna kami accommodation. Hey guys, so it's already 10:10 and dito kami ngayon sa Yogurt House for lunch. And dapat pupunta kami sa Blue Lagoon pero napagkasunduan ng group na hindi na pala kasi pagod na din. So ayun, magla-lunch na kami ngayon, even 10 pa lang. And then after this, babalik kaming accommodation to take shower. And ayun, mag-aayos ng gamit. Lunchtime, we ordered tapa with eggs. Coffee. Ito yung yogurt, guys. Ito ay yung mango mixed fruits. And ito, ano? Banana. Banana. Yan, yan yung banana. So, super cute. Yogurt. Approve ang mango flavor. Lemon pie for pasalubong. Full pie is 280 pesos. Ano po katagal ang ano yan? 3 days. Pero sa next 7 days. Okay, thank you po. Ewan ko, part ba ito ng UNESCO? Alam mo? Yung pinuntahan namin last time, part ng UNESCO. Ewan ko lang dito. Pero maganda ito. Kasi
to the pottery. Ako po naman si Tessie, isa po sa manggagawa dito. Ang pottery na ito, nagsimula po siya noong year 2000. Ang clay namin, nanggagaling dito sa Sagada. It is called stoneware. They are high-fired pottery. Bagamat hindi sila pwedeng lutuan, ngunit microwavable po siya and food grade katulad ng porcelain. Ang unang-una kong gagawin, isesentro ko muna ang clay with the speed of the wheel and with the pressure from both of my hands. Ito ang centering na importanteng gagawin para maganda ang kakalabsan ng ating gagawing pot. And then we slide our fingers up, 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 and that's how far the clay can go.
Next stop, Sagada weaving.
Come up with nothing. Maybe we can talk until we figure out stop it. Been so long in my head, caught up in my feelings. I've been waiting for something new to happen. And when it happens, I'll be
Ay, ang ganda ng view dito.
when it happens. When it happens, I'll be dancing on the lawn when it
Bili kami ng mushroom cheese. Yema.
Magkano sa broccoli ko?
Ayan. Ang dami pang pasalubong dito, guys. So, ito rin yung kinainan namin nung first day. So, ayan. Nandito na rin yung mga pasalubong. Hey guys, it's already 4:40 and nandito kami sa Aguian View Deck. Ito na yung last stop namin, I think. So, kanina, dinaanan namin yung sa pottery weaving, inverted house, and yung sa souvenirs. So, ayun, ito na yung last sa View Deck. Actually, pinuntahan na rin namin ito no first day. Pero dun kaming side, di namin napuntahan dun side na to. So, yeah. Ayun, na dun part ata kami last time. Yun.